Hey there, tech heads. Hope you're good. And this is just a quick video to talk about Apple's new release. I guess it's happening later today. And yeah, they're bringing out new headphones or new Airpods. Basically, they're bringing out over-the-ear headphones like this. And we know a couple of years ago, Apple did acquire Beats, so they technically own the Beats headphones. But from their new line or from their dedicated line of headphones or earbuds, they are bringing out their own over-the-ear headphones called the Airpods Studio or the Airpods Max. The naming is still in doubt. And yeah, so we all know that Apple took over the wireless earbud or wireless headphone game in 2016 when they brought out the AirPods, which are the most popular wireless earbuds in the world. So now they plan on getting into the headphone market with their own headphones. And like I said, they're going to be called either the AirPods Studio or the AirPods Max. They are going to be releasing, or they're going to be getting announced rather. They're going to be announced today, later today. Well, depending on where you are in the world, it could be today or tomorrow. And yeah, the specifications or the things that we expect to see from these headphones would be premium sound quality. We expect to see the auto connect, like automatic connection between these headphones and Apple devices, just like in the AirPods. We also expect to see active noise cancellation and auto pause, like when you take off the headphones, it will automatically pause your music. So which sounds typical, it sounds expected, like, you know, how you take out one AirPods and then your music stops playing. So yeah, those are the features that we expect to see for now. I guess this is Apple's holiday gift to the world. Not really gift, but holiday surprise, something like that. We'll just have to wait and see just how good these headphones are. And yeah, I guess that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button and subscribe. We're on the road to 1K, and it would be awesome if we could get there before the end of the year. Check out my previous videos as well. Podcast link in the description box below. With that said, you stay cool, stay safe, wear your mask as always, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy holidays. Peace.